All right, so today we are trying to get this sink stopper out of the sink because I've decided that I'm going to make all the drains drain really good again. So first off is you obviously can't pull it out. There's a thing here. So we go under here, and I got a pan just in case. So that sink stopper is inside here. It's connected to this rod. The rod actually goes in it, and then the back of it is connected to that pull lever on the back of the sink. So you got to unscrew that. I'm trying to do this with one hand. All right, so now we unscrew this like this. Pull this thing out. It's attached here with this metal clip, so I've got to get that off. But you see all the garbage in there. That comes out like this. We're going to clean that. Come back up here. Disgusting. All right, so the final part of cleaning the drain out is I caught the end of a drain clean out off, and I just put it in this drill. I'm gonna stick this down in there and just spin it. Clean.